Welcome back to my channel Pinnacle. Today we are going to check why mesh and node analysis is very important. When we started a subject network analysis or for electrical engineers, the first topic is mesh and node analysis. In this video, I am going to explain the importance of mesh and node analysis and why we have to study this. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, comment if you like this video and share with your friends. Before starting the mesh and node analysis, first we have to understand what is a practical example of node analysis and mesh analysis. This is nothing but a circuit which is having LEDs, IC, resistor, capacitor, probes. For this circuit, actually what we are interested on a voltage and current on particular specified section with respect to ground. This is the first requirement of any engineering or any engineer to analyze a circuit. This is the second commercial available unit. In this, LM324 IC is used, LED1, LED2, and this circuit is working on a simplified version of R1, R2, R3. And for this simplified version, we are interested the voltage at 2.2 kilo. This is 1 megaohm voltage, and this is 6.8 kilo, 1.8 voltage. After solving this circuit, we are getting this simplified voltages and current values for this circuit. This is another example of mesh analysis. Practical example is a Wheatstone bridge smoke detector. We all know the bridge working is there is a bridge for smoke detector, balance, reference and resistance. When this voltage is unbalanced, according to that we are checking the output and some logic is there, and this is a sensor circuit. Means if smoke is there, then it is going to give some buzzer or alarm or lamp, and this circuit is working. This is nothing but a mesh analysis practical example. This is actual how Wheatstone bridge smoke detector is implemented. This is your room smoke detector, light source. This is clear plastic. Okay, this is sealed chamber, reference cell, and this is photoconductive cells. So this is how you are going to place the Wheatstone bridge practically in a room. The most important question is why we need mesh and node analysis. Basically, when an engineer testing a system, that is the system is down or not operating properly, the first option is he has to check the system specified voltages on the schematic. Means what? He is actually checking the specified voltage levels from the nodes or node voltage, or it is a special term for a voltage measured from that point to ground. To perform this activity, a technician attaches the negative or lower potential lead to the ground of the network. Normally it is a chassis, and then places the positive or higher potential lead on the specified points of the network to check the nodal voltages. If the major voltage and whatever schematic or specified voltage given by a designer both are matched, then the system is working fine, and if it is a fail, that means the problem is identified. Now, please pause the video and write your answer for the question list application of mesh and node analysis. You can take 1 or 2 minutes and note down all applications for mesh and node analysis. Your answer is everywhere, because a engineer, when he want to check the circuit, system or any equipment, actually that engineer is checking the voltage and currents for given specified terminals. After this session, I hope everyone is understood why we are studying mesh and node analysis. So let's start solving problems. In my channel Pinnacle, already some problems are solved on Thevenin theorem, maximum power transfer theorem, node analysis and mesh analysis. Don't forget to like, share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.